Hello, my name is Pille. I have been organizing yoga and hiking retreats for 7 years already, since 2017. Mostly here in Norway, but also in Alaska, South Africa and Spain. My next yoga and hiking retreat is in Guatemala. We are going to do some Volcano hiking trips with overnight. So it's going to be very different temperatures during my stay. Today I will show you what to pack when you come to yoga and hiking retreat, and especially right now I'm packing for the Guatemala yoga and hiking retreat. I like to travel light, so I'm going to wear my hiking boots, and they are quite old one, but very good one, with a very good grip and very light. I'm going to wear my hiking pants, and I love those hiking pants especially because of all those pockets and zippers. Here I have a special pocket for my phone. It's never get lost. I have a zipper here just to open my pants and make them kind of shorts when it's a hot and sunny day. And I have also 2 pockets here. So I'm going to wear those during my travel. And because of our overnight hikes on the top of the mountain at night, it will be freezing cold. So you need to be prepared. So I'm going to wear yoga pants under those hiking pants during the overnight hike. And I always have with me my lightweight jacket, very warm, and this one, and some extra layers should keep me warm during the night. But also I travel from Norway, so it's quite chilly here. This is my everyday jacket to wear here, so I believe it's very comfortable to have on me when I travel as well. And my backpack. I want to travel light. I want to keep my luggage with me in the plane. Because if you arrive and your luggage don't, then you are in a big shit. So that backpack is J38 liters, a lot of pockets as well. And if you are using your backpack, make sure it sits well. So you have to try it before you buy it. So the weight of your backpack should be on your hips. Again, a lot of pockets here, very nice. And 38 liters is really enough for the 1-2 weeks, for me at least. I have 1 extra layer here. It's a warm fleece. Again, very good, soft, light and warm. Especially I think the overnight hike to the Volcano mountain, and 1 extra layer to protect for wind. If you are walking already more than 500 meters, so it's important to protect your body from the wind. And that jacket is very nice because you can wear it with your t-shirt, you can wear it on the top of your warm jacket, on the top of your fleece. And that jacket has those beautiful zippers here to cool down my body if I'm walking up and getting warm. The material is very, very good. It's not waterproof, but it's water resistant. So if it's a little bit light shower or rain, so it protects my warm jacket. And of course a hat, That one protects my face for the sun. Of course, my sunglasses and gloves. Whenever you are walking up to the high mountains, gloves are essential. Those gloves are my favorite ones. You can see I've been wearing them a lot, and that cover protects my fingers when it's like freezing cold and windy. I definitely will take gloves and one more hat for the overnight hike. That one, wool, keeps my head warm. Then I have packed some bras, yoga tops, for the hiking, for every day, and for yoga classes. And next bag, underwear. Very nice. You can see what is inside of the bag. I really love those light bags to organize my luggage. Here I have some proper hiking socks as well, some light socks, some underwear, everything packed here. Toiletries. Let's see what I have here. Sunscreen, bug spray, and some other stuff, what you know, what to take. Next bag is a little bit bigger. Again, if I need the backpack to go hiking and I don't need everything, so I have all my clothes organized with some light bags. And here I have some shorts and 2 skirts, because we will do some sightseeing as well, not only hiking and yoga. And Guatemala, I really hope to get some sun and use my summer clothes as well. Next package, yoga pants and yoga tops. I actually use those yoga tops all day around. I can do hiking with those. I can go to the city because the material is very good, very light. It dries very fast, so if I need to wash them, so it takes like half an hour and it's dry. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 light tops with me. And I have 3 pair of yoga pants. Is it too much? Maybe. Probably. There is something more. The last bag, basically. Flip-floppers and light shoes for everyday walking. Sneakers. Just very, very comfortable, very light. I can do some sightseeing. I can wear them with my skirt, with my shorts, with my yoga pants, whatever. That's it. I have also power bank. This is important to have because you never know the conditions when you do some long hikes. I have an adapter because in Norway we have a different how do you call it? So I have my headlamp for the overnight hikes. I don't have batteries inside, they are on the table. But the headlamp is like a good idea to have. And that's it. I think I have enough of stuff with me. I will stay for 3 weeks actually. Before the retreat I do some sightseeing, and our retreat is 10 days. So a lot of hiking, a lot of yoga, a lot of fun, a lot of sun. I really hope to enjoy the time, especially with you. Okay, thank you for watching. And if you have some comments or questions, please send me a message and let me know. Thank you. See you. Bye.